Hello everyone. New to UX design, don't know where to start? Let me take you through the journey. Welcome to We Judge, We Teach, We Make It Fun. Let's have small bites. We don't bore you with definitions. Let's start with the process of UX. Different projects have different approaches. Oh, there is a lot more to it. Let's take you through the most used design process, namely design thinking. Stage 1. Empathize. You should gain an empathetical understanding of the problem you are trying to solve. Step in your user's shoes. Know what they are going through. How it helps you say? By getting new pair of shoes. Kidding. It will help you in keeping aside your assumptions about the world and gain real insights into users and their needs. Stage 2. Define. Gather the information from empathize stage. Define an exact set of users and split them based on priorities. These are known as user personas. This helps in understanding them better. Gather observations and identify problems. These definitions are called problem statements. Quickly, kill the like button for good design's sake. Stage 3. Ideate. Keep aside your assumptions. Now, you are ready to generate ideas. You have all the set of data, users, their problems. If you are not dumb, perhaps few solutions. This will help you think outside the box. Stage 4. Prototype. This is an experimental phase. Start sketching. Make some low fidelity wireframes now. See if it solves the problem. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. Stage 5. Test. Now you have a MVP, which is known as minimum usable product, also known as MVP. Catch hold of all the users and ask them, is it working? Is it working? If not, prototype again, ask again. Launch the product. We might have skipped user interface, but we will cover it in our next episode. Hold on, there is a catch. We always define new problems and go back to step 1. It's iterative until you either die or the product becomes mature. That's about it from the first episode of UX and understanding the basics. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Also, do let us know how the episode is in the comment section below. Be judgmental, stay judgmental, and don't forget to press the bell icon.